Your boy Alfred back with another update. First video of the day, let's jump right into it. So it's been a month since XXXTENTACION was tragically shot to death as he left a motorcycle shop. May he rest in peace. And ever since then, multiple arrests have been made, including the driver who blocked X's car, and one of the gunmen involved was also arrested. But ladies and gentlemen, according to multiple reports circulating online, this case is now taking a very interesting turn because the gunman who was just arrested less than a week ago is now making some major demands from the prosecutors. TMZ reported that Michael Boatman was one of the gunmen arrested in connection to X's murder, but according to new developments, he is now demanding the prosecutors to give his legal team all the evidence they have against him. I'm not kidding, including suspect names, statements, names of any witnesses, and any offers the state made to suspects in this murder case. Boatwright also wants prosecutors to give him any information about wiretapping his house, and if there are any tapes from those wiretaps, he wants those handed to his legal team as well, because believe it or not, this motherfucker thinks he's innocent. He wants to establish his innocence. So Boatwright was facing drug charges, but after this latest arrest, he is now facing murder charges. And I'm sure some evidence will be turned over to the suspect's legal team. Of course, it is innocent until proven guilty, but I don't think witness names and testimonies will be handed over because that can jeopardize the whole case. It's the age-old story where witnesses disappear and the case goes nowhere, so I'm very certain only some evidence will be shared with the suspect's legal team. Honestly, I'm getting a bad vibe from this Boatwright motherfucker asking for witness names and statements. He's already locked for murder. Don't give this motherfucker any information about no witnesses. Who knows what might happen. Seriously, whoever's involved in this tragic murder deserves to fucking rot in jail. I'm sure the detectives will arrest the second shooter as well. It's only a matter of time. We just have to wait and see what happens. Your boy Alfred will keep you updated if there are any developments in this story. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment below if you have any suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. Your boy Alfred out.
I just wanna get that money. I just wanna get that money, flip that money. I just wanna stack them hundreds. I just wanna spaz out, cash out. I just wanna get that money. I just wanna get that money, flip that money. I just wanna stack them hundreds. I just wanna spaz out, cash out. I'm a young nigga, I just wanna live, I just wanna chill. Smoking loud in a foreign wheel, independent, I don't wanna deal. I just want a meal, plus I'm hungry, I just want a meal. I ain't eat yet, I been up all night, I ain't sleep yet. And I need rest, but my dreams I ain't reach yet.